Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. I am the first is I want to introduce myself. My name is Sifa Salatokobe. I study at Surya Kencana University and now I'm third semester. Now in this video I would like to talk about tenses that I want to explain one of tenses in English, that present continuous. Everybody, do you know what is present continuous? In the function present continuous in progress that at the moment of speaking. Present continuous that usually used for we are talking with our friends or other people, that the time is now, right now, at the moment, in the time now, today, right now, this time, this second, and anything that the time is now, especially at the moment. In what is it? Present continuous, we have from is formula of the present continuous. We have that to be plus ing. What is to be? To be that participle from subject and predicate. If we want to speaking or we want to talk with our friends, or mother, or father, or brother, sister, and for around us, that use in daily activity with present continuous, that at the moment, yes, at the moment. And what is in English language, that verb or verb that have the last word used in, usually that call as a present participle. In like, I am swimming in my pool. You are singing in my room, like that. And anything example from present continuous that use for in this time, yeah. And for the more specifically from the explain about the formula, I have this more specifically. There are subject. What is subject? Subject that used for human, and it is more like the call is more simply like I, Sifa to be I, you like Ropi to be you, and we are like Ira and Sipa, and they are like 3 person, and she, he, and it. She is especially for girl, and he for boy, and it for noun or for animals. And this there is I am and I am not. Why this there is not? Because it's not negative, and I am is positive. Like I am, like before I said, I am swimming in my pool. That the sentence used for active sentence. And I am not swimming in my pool, that passive a sentence. Like I am swimming pool, that really I am swimming in my pool at the moment. And like I am not like that, like I am not agree, I am don't want, or I am not swimming in my pool. And for the second, you oh yes, why there is I'm, are, and is, because the first that I have explained before, the formula, or the formula, the first, this use of what is it, verb, I know, to be plus ing, that the first formula, and this more specifically that I, us, am, you, us, are, and you, we, they, that use are, and she, he, it, that use is. And why you are use are, and she is use is, and I use am, I don't know, because this have in grammatically in English that use for participle in we are talking with our around us, in around us. And like the first, I am, the second, like you are, we are, they are, also use not. The use not is the last the last after to be. Like you are not eating in my room. You are, we are not not singing in my room, and they are like that. And the other that use not is passive. And there is a call of simple that we not the we not call is not easy, that you are not, like more simply correct, you aren't is from are and not, to be you aren't, that you are you not, like that is more I think more call simple. And see, he, it, also, that not use not, like in the first and the second and the third. No. And see, he, it, also, there is a call of simply that we can what is it, that we can take in our speak or our talk, like she is not to be, she isn't, he isn't, it isn't, like that. This, like this, yeah. If you are want to be simple, call it I don't want to I don't want to call it you are not, but I want to call you aren't, like that, can that also. And you are also, she is to be, she is, I want to, she is not, I want to, she is, isn't, like that. Is, yeah, is, is use a, use e and zero, z, is. And for the more example that I have write in this presentation, that the most example, like the first, I am walking in Joglo. I am walking in Joglo. That specifically, I am again walking in Joglo today. Like today, yeah, or can be right now. And in this, for the second, I am studying English language. Like I am again studying English language. And for the other, like that, she is, he is, they are, we are, you are, I am, and I am walking. And I think that's all for me. And this, and sorry for my mistake. And I do apologize for my presentation before every human that have no perfect human. That's all for me. I think wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.